and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bullet coffee. So thanks for watching. Let's get started. Now here are the ingredients you'll need. 1.5 spoon of butter, clarified butter, use name, and 1/2 spoon of tiny spoon, this. You could put 1.5 if you like coconut oil, but in my case I'm gonna put a little less because that's how my mom likes it. Also, you're gonna need some coffee powder, however much you usually use, and you're gonna need to boil 2 cups of boiling hot water, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna go get my supplies ready, and let's make this coffee. Okay, now I added my butter and coconut oil. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon of coffee powder. You can put however much usually you have. So 2 spoons, however much caffeine you want. And then I measured out 2 cups in this frother type thing. So now I'm going to pour that in too. Okay. Now I'm going to put the lid on here. Okay, now that we have all this, we just need to get it out. Put it on top. Make sure that your lid is actually fastened, or else some of that could actually come out. Now you're going to blend away for 50 seconds. Okay, looks like it's done blending. Let's get a cup and we'll fill this up for my mom. So hey guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed, click here to watch another. Click here for the video that YouTube recommends. Right here and right here, this is the subscribe button. So like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.